Hello students, today I am going to tell you that how you can create a chart in Excel. Excel is basically, we know that it is a PowerPoint, it is a Microsoft tool in MS Office by using which we are able to make some calculations. It is a collection of rows and columns. These are the A, B, C, these are my columns, and here are 1, 2, 3, these are my rows, and it is an intersection of rows and columns. This is a complete spreadsheet. Intersection of row and column is cell. This is a single cell having address H9. You can see the address here, that is H9 in the address bar, and this is my formula bar, and here are my tabs, right? And this is my ribbon having the tools of all the tabs. This is my title bar, and this is my status bar, and here are the sheets. You want to add as much sheets as you want. I am on sheet 1 basically. While we will create your Excel workbook, in the very first time we have 3 sheets by default, and we can add and delete according to our requirement. So chart is pictorial representation of data. Pictorial means picturize, right? Picturize, that how you can show any data in the form of picture. Suppose I want to show my company's progress, the ups and downs of my company in a particular years. So what would I do? I would create a chart. Rather than write it in a textual format, it would be better to create a chart to make them understand, to make the other understand, like in that particular year the company has that much profit and that much loss. Similarly, so it is in the form of chart. And today I have taken some data of subjects and having classes, class 10th A and 10th B, and this is the average marks of the subject in both the classes, like 85 is the average mark of class 10th A in English, and similarly 75 is the average marks of English in class 10th B, and rest the same, right? First of all, if I want to create a chart, I would need to select the text. I would need to select the columns having my data. Then I would go on insert button. In the insert button, here you can see the chart group. This is my chart group. Have you can see another groups table. In each group we have various tools of that particular group. In the illustration we have that much tool, and in the chart we have that much tool. Here I can select the type of chart that I want to insert, right? Suppose I want to add a column chart, right? Here it will show me if you want to insert 2D, 3D, cylindrical, cone, what type of design that you want to add in your column chart. I would take the basic one. Now here you can see the column chart of my subjects, that is English, Math, Science, SST, and here are the marks on my y-axis. And here you can see the XA would represent the blue color, the 10th A would represent the blue color, and the red color will represent my 10th B. And here you can see the marks, right? 85 10th A, the blue color represent 10th A, 85 the average marks of English, and here the 75 the average marks of English of class 10th B. So this is the way to add a chart. Now here I want to show you, like if you have already created a chart, then if you want to change the type afterwards, then how you can do that. Whenever you will go there, a new tabs will start appearing, that is design, layout, and format, right? In the design tab you can change the chart type. When you would click over there, we have various type of chart types available. You can see the types of chart, the column chart, this one is the column chart. Line chart, this one, it would represent your data in the form of line. Pie chart, this would represent the data in the form of circles, and then the share in the form of your percentage. The bar chart, the horizontal column chart is bar chart. Area chart, this one is your area chart. XY scatter, you can see it would be in the dotted form. The stock chart, like in the form of stock. Surface chart, this one. The donut chart, this one. Bubble chart, and radar chart. So here you can see we have various types of charts: the column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter chart, stock chart, surface, donut, bubble, and radar. You can select any of the chart of your choice. Suppose I would like to take line chart. See, I would select the line and then click on OK button. So it would change the type of my chart, right? Here it has changed the type of, now I am now here is showing some lines having two colors, red and blue. Red stands for 10th B and blue stands for 10th A. Here you can change the color of your legends, like here you can also change. Basically I would like to take red and blue because it will differentiate your data. आपका डेटा अच्छे से differentiate हो जाता है इससे. So we have taken that, right? In the layout tab, here are some labels on axis and insert. Now I am going to tell you about the legends. Legends are basically the how you are going to represent your data in the column, in the chart, कि आप अपना डेटा कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, कि कोई कन्फ्यूजन ना हो. सपोज वी हैव टू सिमिलर वैल्यूज़. ठीक है, कोई यहाँ पे सपोज 85 और यहाँ पे भी 85 है, तो लेजेंड्स बेसिकली आपको डेटा रिप्रेजेंटेशन में हेल्प करते हैं, सो दैट देयर नॉट बी एनी कन्फ्यूजन. डेटा को सॉर्ट करके रखते हैं ये. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इफ़ आई वांट टू ऐड अ टाइटल, सेंटर्ड ओवरले टाइटल, you can add title here, the chart title above the chart. You can add it above the chart also. Suppose I would like the average result, yeah, average marks, right? I have put the title average marks, and here see, you have seen that my tab has gone. So how would I get my tab back? I would click on my chart area. This is my chart area, and while clicking on chart area, you will start, the three new tabs will start displaying: the design, layout and format. Next one is my axis title. So we will do it title below axis, on the, for horizontal axis title below axis. If I want to write the title, like suppose subjects, ठीक है, जैसे हम लिखते हैं कि on the x axis my subjects are there, right? Again my tabs has gone. I would select it again, and along the y axis, vertical axis में आपको कैसे लिखना है? Okay, vertical title you want to add like that. Here if I want to write marks, ठीक है, ये हम डिलीट कर देते हैं यहाँ पे. ठीक है, marks. So here are my x-axis and my y-axis. In the legends, show legends at the right, at the top, we would see how. I would like to change the type of my chart so that I can explain it in a better manner. Yeah, right? This is my chart, and now I would move on layout tab, having legends. We were on legends. Show legends at the right. Legend, these are the legends, right? कि x-axis is of xa is of blue color and xb is of red color. You can change their location also. Suppose at the top, you can also put it at top, at the left, at the bottom. Suppose, see, you can see it, the legends are at bottom, so it was better at right. ठीक है, data labels. Data labels means where you want to show your data, like the data is like in class 10th A, the average marks in English is 85. So if you want to show it here, 85 is, so how we can show it? Data labels at the center. See, you can see the marks, the data at the center of each of the column of the various of different classes. You can see at center, at the inside the end, like that, and inside the base, like that, at the bottom, and outside the end, like that, कि उसके बाहर शो हो जाए. ठीक है, that is your personal choice. आप जैसे मर्जी कर सकते हो. तो मैंने ये लिया है. उसके बाद डेटा टेबल, शो डेटा टेबल. जैसे इफ़ यू वांट टू शो दैट पर्टिकुलर डेटा टेबल एट द बॉटम, तो आप कैसे करोगे? लाइक दैट, कि वो नीचे शो हो जाए कि एक्स 10th A का क्या है, सब्जेक्ट है 10th B का. द डेटा टेबल विल स्टार्ट डिस्प्लेइंग एट द बॉटम, राइट? अगर आप नहीं चाहिए तो यू कैन क्लिक ओवर नन बटन. ठीक है, हम अभी लिख लेते हैं. आफ्टर दैट द एक्सेस, show left to right axis. कि हमारा लेफ़्ट टू राइट ही शो हो रहा है, ठीक है। हमारी एक्सिस कहाँ पे हमने शो करनी है, फ्रॉम लेफ़्ट टू राइट, शो राइट टू लेफ़्ट। कि आपने यहाँ एक्सिस राइट टू लेफ़्ट करनी है कि लेफ़्ट टू राइट करनी है, पहले हमारी लेफ़्ट टू राइट ही थी, ऐसे, राइट। ग्रिड लाइन जैसे आपकी ग्राफ के अंदर होती हैं कि आपको ग्रिड लाइंस चाहिए, ठीक है, फॉर राइटिंग, फॉर प्रॉपर मेजरमेंट्स, जैसे ये होगी हमारी ग्रिड लाइंस, ठीक है। वर्टिकल होगी, आपको मेजर अगर मोटी मोटी लगानी है तो ये होगी, अगर कोई भी नहीं लगानी तो यू कैन क्लिक ओवर नन बटन, ठीक है, कोई भी नहीं आएगी। इफ़ यू वांट टू ऐड द वर्टिकल ग्रिड लाइंस देन मेजर वर्टिकल ग्रिड लाइंस, तो आप ऐसे कर सकते हो। इट इज़ ऑन योर चॉइस, completely based on your choice, right? Next one is your plot area. Plot area means show the complete area. This one is the having different section. It will differentiate the table, your chart from the another area. That particular boundary is your chart area, having all the data, having all the legends, having all the title, your axis, everything will be inside your plot area, right? And so you can represent your data by using various types of charts, and it is a very easiest way to represent the data in the form of chart by using Excel. So this was all about chart and its types and legends. Thank you so much.